Right, so this is the additive rule of probability. If you're not my student, this video is just for grade 8 maths. If you're in grade 9 or above, you will not watch this video because the rule changes. This is just for grade 8 for mutually exclusive events. So if you don't know what mutually exclusive is, and if you're not in grade 8, tune out and go to a grade 9 video, please. Okay, so this is a grade 8 rule of the additive rule of probability for grade 8s, mutually exclusive events. Okay, we're going to show you that this thing here, that little symbol, the cup, says OR. So this is the probability of A or B is probability of A plus the probability of B. We're going to say in class, OR is plus all the time. OR is plus. We're going to say AND is times, but first of all, we're going to say OR is plus. Let's prove it to you. Let's roll a die. What's the probability of getting a 1 or a 2 on a die? So the probability of A is the probability of getting a 1 on a die. What's the probability of rolling a 1? It's 1 out of 6. And the B is this 2. What's the probability of rolling a 2? Gosh, 1 out of 6, which is 2 out of 6, which is 1 on 3. So we are going to be thinking differently about rolling a 1 or a 2. There's my sample space, so using WOPO. My PO is 6, and how many 1s or 2s do I have? 2 out of 6, which is 1 out of 3. So there's evidence that that addition rule works. If it's OR, it's plus. OR is plus. It's plain and simple. Okay. Bill is in the race at school. He's in the cross country. His chance of winning is 0.3. Jenny, she's in the same race, and her chance of winning is 0.5. So they're front runners, aren't they, to win the race. So in the race, what is the probability that Bill or Jenny win? Right? So what is the probability that either they win? We're going to highlight this word OR and go, OR is plus, Mr. Finney said. So probability of A or B equals probability of A plus probability B. What is the probability that Bill wins? 0.3. What's the probability that Jenny wins? 0.5. So either Bill or Jenny winning, we're going to add 0.8. They've got it in the bag. 0.8. Or is plus. It doesn't get any simpler than that, does it? We can use it to validate WOPO as we did just there, or we can just use it as a rule. OR is plus.